What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with a quick video. Yo, man, what's up, everybody? Now, as you can see, I have here the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, I do have the Galaxy S10. Now, I wanted to get the Plus to make sure that, you know, I made the right decision in getting the S10 as my first choice. Now, the S10 Plus I kind of thought would be too much of a repeat of the Note 9 itself, as what I mean when it comes to the size and form factor. But at the same time, while using the S10, I was realizing that I prefer a larger form factor than what I was getting with this model. Now, I don't know. I'm still within my period of return on the S10, but at the same time, I ordered the S10 Plus. Pretty much got the same color, the black. And this is pretty much just a standard unboxing. You pretty much know what this phone has. It's a 6.4-inch screen. You know, the triple camera setup on the back. Got the 128 gigabyte variant, 4100 milliamp battery. You know, pretty much all the standard stuff that you know about this phone. Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and Gorilla Glass 5. Beautiful aluminum frame, IP68 and waterproof, dustproof. What else this phone has? Everybody knows it has the 9.0 and the first its first One UI software on there. I'm quite sure we're going to be getting some One UI update and watching the refinement of this particular skin. I'm looking forward to seeing that. But as of now, the One UI is a love it or hate it type of situation. If you look at a lot of videos on YouTube, you find people really happy about it, and you find other people just really not feeling it. We do know it has the micro SD card slot, expandable, and you can get this phone in other variations other than the 128. You can get the 512, the terabyte, and so on from that. So let me quickly open it. This is pretty much just an introduction to let you know that the S10 Plus is on my channel. I do have some cases waiting for this phone. Other than that, not pretty much anything different than the S10. You're gonna have your earbuds and standard AKG setup. Went with the black. Nice build. Quick charge. Everything's in black. Earbuds, cable, charging cable. Everything in black. Again, like I said, I don't know how much detail I need to go into with this unboxing, other than the fact to let you know that, yes, the S10 Plus is on the channel. Quick size comparison with the Note. It is a little taller, but it does have the same size screen. The Note is wider. Again, looking forward to testing these two out since they both got the One UI update to see how much improved the Note 9 is in comparison with the S10 Plus. Quick size comparison with the Note. It is a little taller, but it does have the same size screen. The Note is wider. Again, looking forward to testing these two out since they both got the One UI update to see how much improved the Note 9 is in comparison with the S10 Plus. And I'm going to have to make a decision on which one of these I want to keep. Again, if I'm missing the larger form factor, in all likelihood, the S10 will be going back. I tried. It's a great phone. I expect nothing to change with the bigger version. But that's pretty much it. I'm not going to really go into details with this unboxing and tell you stuff that you already know. I just want to let you know that the S10 Plus is on my channel. Be on the lookout for future videos and coverage of the S10 Plus. Other than that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch everybody in the next video.